We've allowed for 3 hours for the event, so that even if we have a large crowd, there's going to be enough time for everybody to see it. And we're going to be having the show Dawn of the Space Age running continuously. So we're going to start at 2 o'clock for showing. It runs about 40 minutes. Then we're going to let everyone go out in the lobby, bring another group in, and start the show too. So probably have in those 3 hours, probably have about 4 or 5 showings of Dawn of the Space Age, which really highlights the early beginnings of the space program from the time of Sputnik, the Soviet Union Sputnik program, to the early missions of the NASA Gemini program. We have some lunar meteorites.
Okay.
And so some of the same geologies that we can talk about with the lunar disk, we can also talk about with meteorites.
Right.
The difference with the lunar meteorites is that we don't know exactly where they came from. We have a pretty good idea because we can see what they're made of, especially because now we can compare them to known lunar samples. But we don't have the soils. You can't get lunar soil from a meteorite. So if you look at the highland soil taken from the lunar highlands, we have some flakes of light material, mainly from the anorthosite, where the Mare soil is all dark. And then the orange soil, which is sort of an interesting thing, that is volcanic soil that was discovered, found in the very last mission to the moon, Apollo 17. Meteorites are, they're sort of commercially available from, people that supply museums with meteorites. But the Apollo samples are by definition, they're rare because, for the foreseeable future, we don't have another source of them.